How cetirizine works. Got allergies? Here's how one small tablet, cetirizine, stops all this. When allergens like dust or pollen enter your body, your immune system releases a chemical called histamine. This histamine causes sneezing, itching, watery eyes, and rashes. That's the allergy in action. Cetirizine works by blocking histamine receptors, stopping histamine from attaching and triggering symptoms. Result? Relief from allergies, without the heavy drowsiness of older meds. It treats runny nose, skin allergies, hives, and more. Just one pill can work up to 24 hours. Follow for more simple medicine explainers. Always take medicines with doctor's advice.